Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell Momo NFTs in Mobox. Mobox is a gamified platform built on PNB Smart Chain that combines yield farming, NFTs and play-to-earn gaming. One of its main NFT assets is called Momo NFT. These Momo are not just collectibles, they also generate hash bars which helps you earn rewards in the ecosystem. If you own a Momo NFT and want to convert it into Mbox tokens or BNB, you can sell it directly on the Mobox marketplace. So step 1, what you can do is simply open any of the browser that you want. On the top address bar, select to this mobox.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface, simply connect to the wallet. What you can do is you can go to the box here, and after that in the top right corner select to this connect wallet here. Connect your wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, as I'm going to select to this MetaMask here, and make sure you are connected to the BNB Smart Chain BSA network here. For the desktop or the mobile, simply need to scan to connect and sign in with your MetaMask mobile app as well. And after login, you can find your profile or the assets, and you will see your Momo NFTs, common, rare, epic, legendary. Then you can choose the seller, select your NFT and click for the sale as well. And that is it. And selling Momo NFTs in Mobox is simple. Once your wallet is connected and the NFT is unstaked, the keys to selling successfully is understanding market demand. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.